Christopher, this is the biggest win of your career. How do you feel? You just took down the defending US champion with the black pieces.
I feel like it's a great redemption from yesterday, especially after seeing the interview and everything. I felt like I was kind of disrespected. And it was also kind of a wake-up call that I really needed to improve my openings and everything.
How did you feel after that game yesterday? Because you had your chances as well, right? And there's some rivalry between you and Hans, it seems
I felt disrespected on every level.
And
why
is that? Why did you take it personally, I guess?
Because after the interview and everything.
Just because he said the game spoke for itself?
Yeah.
And you definitely came with a very combative mindset into today's game. Take us through the key moments.
I did feel like I channeled in a little bit of my anger from that to play some aggressive chess today.
And that's great. If you can channel the anger and use it to your advantage, that's absolutely a good thing. We are with Hans Niemann after an incredible victory with the black pieces against a fellow junior. Christopher, you, Hans, first of all, let's address the elephant in the room. You've been under a lot of pressure. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, I think that this game is a message to everyone, and you know, this entire thing started with me saying chess speaks for itself, and I think that this game spoke for itself and showed the chess player that I am, and it also showed that I'm not going to back down, and I'm going to play my best chess here, regardless of the pressure that I'm under, and that's all I have to say about this game. And you know, chess speaks for itself. You know, that's all I can say.
Let's discuss the game a little bit.
That's it, but you know, you can leave it to your interpretation. But thank you.
That's it. All you want to say.
That's all I'd like
today.
to say. Yes, because
okay,
it was such a beautiful game. I don't even need to describe it.
Thank you.
What? That's it? Okay. I actually had one question, if we're still in studio. I guess not.
No, I mean, Hans has disappeared. But
I wanted to ask about the knight takes d5 moment.
I don't think he wanted to speak about
answer the knight takes d5
He
moment.
came into the studio and he said, we're not going to analyze the game. I just want to say something, and that was it.
Okay.
It was a message for the world, and he spoke with his moves today.
Fabi, welcome back to the studio. Congratulations, back-to-back victories, and quite an important one with the black pieces against the co-leader, Hans Niemann. How does that feel?
I mean, right now I feel exhausted. I was hoping I would give you an interesting interview. I was hoping to keep the trend up, but right now I don't have enough energy for that.
How come? Did you feel disrespected in any way coming into today's round?
On every level.
Did you get to chat with him after the game at all?
I don't think he wants to chat with me anymore.
Okay. Okay.
I think we're no longer on chatting terms.
I see. Okay.